In this question, we have to find which of the given compound is most reactive for nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, if halogen is attached with benzene ring, it will neither react via SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanism. But if electron withdrawing group is attached at ortho or para position, then SN2AR reaction takes place, and SN2AR reaction, during SN2AR reaction, carbon ion intermediate is formed, and now this carbon ion intermediate is stabilized by electron withdrawing group, and hence electron withdrawing group increases rate of reaction via SN2AR mechanism. So in second case, NO2 group is attached at para position, which will stabilized intermediate anion formed during the reaction by resonance, and hence 2 is most reactive. So keep in mind, for SN2AR reaction, electron withdrawing group increases rate of reaction. Reaction of alcohol with PCl5 takes place via SN2 mechanism. So in this case, alkyl halide is formed along with POCl3 is formed. So plus HCl. So correct answer is A, POCl3, HCl, and 2-degree alkyl halide is formed during the reaction. Reaction is SN2, so there is no possibility of rearrangement, and hence option A is correct. In this question, 2 halogen atoms are present, but one of the halogen atom is attached with sp2 carbon, and if halogen is attached with sp2 carbon, now lone pair of halogen is involved in resonance with double bond, so a partial double bond character is developed between carbon and chlorine, so it cannot be removed via SN2 mechanism. So this Cl cannot be removed by SN2 mechanism. Now if we take SN1 mechanism, so during SN1 mechanism, carbocation formed is highly unstable, and due to formation of unstable carbocation, this halogen cannot be removed via SN1 mechanism. Now if we take second halogen, now this halogen can be removed via both SN1 and SN2 mechanism. This can be easily removed via SN2 mechanism because electron withdrawing group at beta position increases stability of transition state. So this molecule is highly reactive for SN2 reaction as well as for SN1 reaction, because if this Cl is removed, now the allylic carbocation is formed, and allylic carbocation is stabilized resonance. So this allylic carbocation will also form allyl alcohol. So correct answer is B. While this Cl will remains attached, this Cl is not affected, so this will still present in the molecule, and hence correct answer is. In this question, we have to find which of the following given compound is most reactive for SN2 reaction. So when leaving group halogen is attached with sp2 carbon, this will not react with either SN1 mechanism nor SN2 mechanism. So A and C will not react either via SN1 or SN2 mechanism. When halogen is attached with bridgehead carbon, now backside attack is not possible because backside 3 carbon atoms are present. So in second case, neither SN2 reaction takes place, SN1 reaction also does not take place, because when leaving group is departed, now bridgehead carbocation is formed, which is highly unstable. So in A, B and C, neither SN1 nor SN2 reaction takes place. In case of allyl halide, SN1 and SN2 reaction both takes place with maximum speed. So correct answer of the reaction is D. Now rate of SN2 reaction is higher because electron withdrawing group increases rate for SN2 reaction. Which of the following undergo hydrolysis most easily? So in this reaction we have to find correct order of rate of reaction during hydrolysis. Now this reaction takes place SN2AR mechanism, in which carbon ion intermediate is formed, and stability of carbon ion increases by electron withdrawing group. So molecule having maximum number of electron withdrawing group is most reactive and will get most easily hydrolyzed, and hence correct option is 4. Now we check mechanism of the reaction. Now Cl is directly attached with benzene ring, so it cannot be removed via SN1 or SN2 process. Now if electron withdrawing groups are arranged at ortho and para position, now the reaction can take place easily. Now in presence of OH negative or nucleophile, now nucleophile donate pair of electron. As nucleophile donate pair of electron, now pi bond between carbon-carbon starts breaking and a carbon ion intermediate is formed. Now this carbon ion is stabilized by electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para position. Now this negative ion is involved in resonance with nitro group, as well as the other nitro group present at para and ortho position also stabilize negative charge, and finally OH negative, Cl negative is removed and OH group attached with benzene ring and trinitrophenol or picric acid is formed. So rate of reaction depend on stability of intermediate. Now this is Megenheimer complex, and in this case rate of reaction depend on stability of Megenheimer complex. Now this is carbon ion, and carbon ions are most stabilized by electron withdrawing group. So fourth is having 3 electron withdrawing group, so fourth is most reactive. Then 3 is having 2 electron withdrawing group, then 2 and 1 is least reactive, and hence correct answer is 4. In this question we have to find product of the given reaction. So now molecule taken is chiral. On reacting with SOCl2 in absence of pyridine, reaction takes place via SNI mechanism, and due to which retention of configuration is observed. So if retention of configuration is observed, if before reaction configuration is R, then product will also have R configuration. If reactant has S configuration, then final product will also have S configuration. So first of all we have to find configuration of reactant molecule. So this is chiral carbon. Now groups attached with chiral carbon are having OH is having maximum priority according to CIP sequence rule. Then ethyl 3 and 4. Hydrogen is least priority group and present away from observer. Moving from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, we are moving clockwise, and hence configuration is R. So if reactant is having R configuration, then product must also have R configuration. Then the product is, now this is the product, OH in place of OH, Cl is attached and hydrogen. Now this molecule is also having R configuration. So in the question we have to find which of the given compound is also having R configuration. So if we take option B, now the Cl is having maximum priority 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Now least priority group present away from observer, moving from 1 to 2, 2 to 3 clockwise, hence this is having R configuration, while other option C and D are incorrect, while option A is having S configuration. If we find the configuration is S, and hence correct answer is B. In this question chiral molecule is taken. Now on reacting with SOCl2, reaction takes place via SNI mechanism, and product form is with retention of configuration. So if reactant is having R configuration, molecule will also have R configuration. If reactant is having S configuration, then molecule will also have S configuration. Retention of configuration, in place of OH, Cl group will be attached. So final answer is CH3, D, H. in place of OH, Cl is attached, and hence correct answer is A. Now if we take pyridine, then reaction become SN2, and then in case of pyridine, product with inverted configuration will be obtained. In this question, we have to find product of the reaction. Now along with SOCl2, pyridine is taken. So when SOCl2 and pyridine are taken together, now reaction takes place SN2 mechanism, and if mechanism is SN2, now the product form is with inversion of configuration, so MEH, now Cl and pH, so product with inverted configuration is obtained, and hence correct answer is B, product with inversion of configuration. Which chloroderivative of nitrobenzene among the following would undergo hydrolysis most readily with aqueous NaOH? Now this is case of SN2AR mechanism, and rate of reaction depend on stability of Megenheimer complex carbanion is formed. So if we consider mechanism of the reaction, when Cl is attached and at ortho and para position nitro groups are attached, so when nucleophile attack at polar carbon chlorine bond, pi bond is shifted to adjacent carbon from which NO2 is attached. Now this negative charge is stabilized by electron withdrawing behavior of NO2 group via resonance. As negative charge further takes place resonance with double bond, it appears on that carbon from which NO2 is attached and further stabilized by electron withdrawing behavior of NO2 group. Finally, Cl negative is removed and OH is attached in place of Cl group, and tri-nitro substituted phenol is formed as a product. So rate of reaction is high if electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position. So option C is having maximum electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position, hence correct answer is C. What happens when CCl4 is treated with AgNO3? So CCl4 does not react with AgNO3, so no reaction takes place. So in this case, option D is correct. CCl4 is covalent molecule not having polarity, it's non-polar molecule. AgNO3 is ionic compound, so there is no reaction between CCl4 and AgNO3. When trinitrochlorobenzene is reacted with water, now if 3 electron withdrawing groups are present, now reaction will still continue at low temperature 25 degrees Celsius. If 3 nitro groups are not attached, then we have to heat, but in this case reaction will continue at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. So when water attack, Cl group is removed, and is in place of Cl, now OH group will be attached, and trinitrophenol picric acid will be formed as final product of the reaction, and hence correct answer is 3. In the given reaction we have to find final product. So now this is case of substitution nucleophilic via neighboring group participation. So if with the structure of the molecule CH2, CH2, Br, now sulfur is attached by this carbon, so this is starred carbon, and sulfur is also connected with C2H5. Now sulfur is also having lone pair, so sulfur also act as nucleophile, and there is possibility of intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. If there is choice between intermolecular and intramolecular, intramolecular reactions are always more favorable. Now this sulfur act as a nucleophile, Br negative is removed, so CH2, CH2, S, C2H5, and this is starred carbon is formed as a intermediate. Now water act as a nucleophile, so water can act as nucleophile on both the carbon at this carbon, and water can also attack on this carbon. So in this case we will obtain two product. If water attack at this carbon which is not starred, as nucleophile attack, this bond start breaking and we get product CH2, S, C2H5, CH2, OH. So this is start carbon. There is another possibility. Water now can attack at start carbon. So as water attack, this bond starts breaking. Finally, we get CH2, OH. Now OH is attached at start carbon, CH2, S, and C2H5. So in this reaction both the products are obtained, A and B, and hence correct answer is 1:1 mixture of and A and B. Since there is equal possibility of attack of water negative at both carbon, then 1:1 or 50-50% mixture of both two products are obtained. Now answer C is correct. In this question we have to find which of the following compound give fastest SN2AR reaction. So rate of SN2AR reaction depend on presence of electron withdrawing group. Higher the number of electron withdrawing group, faster is the rate of reaction. So when 3 NO2 groups are present, rate of reaction is fastest. So C give fastest reaction. As the number of NO2 group decreases, rate of SN2AR reaction also decreases. So C, then B, then D. D is having only one NO2 group, so rate comparatively slower rate, and A react with minimum speed because not having any electron withdrawing group. So C gives fastest rate reaction while A give minimum rate of reaction. In this question we have to find which of the following compound is most reactive in nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction with NaOH. Now halobenzene react with NaOH via SN2AR reaction. Now rate of SN2AR reaction depend on two factors. First, in presence of electron withdrawing group. Higher the electron withdrawing group, higher is the reactivity. Now second factor is polarity of carbon halogen bond. More the polar carbon halogen bond, higher is the reactivity. If we take fluoro, chloro, bromo and iodo nitrobenzene and compare their reactivity, so now reactivity depend on polarity. Carbon fluorine bond is most polar, so nucleophile can easily attack at the atom where fluorine is attached. So fluoronitrobenzene is most reactive, then chloro, then bromo, and then iodo. So as the polarity is increased, rate of SN2 reaction also increase. Hence para-nitrofluorobenzene is most reactive, and correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction represent SN2AR reaction. Now first reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution, as Br electrophile is attacking and hydrogen H positive is replaced. So this reaction is case example of electrophilic aromatic substitution. In second step also electrophile is attacking, so this reaction is also electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. In third case, OH negative act as a nucleophile, and this reaction takes place via SN2AR mechanism when chlorobenzene is present and NO2 or electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho or para position. Now this reaction takes place via SN2AR mechanism. while in fourth case reaction is simple SN2 reaction in aliphatic compound because Br here is attached with aliphatic part, while in case C chlorine is attached with aromatic part. So option C is correct answer. The given reaction most likely occur by which of the following mechanism? So in this case chlorine is attached with benzene ring, so chlorine and benzene are having partial double bond character, so this reaction neither takes place via SN1 mechanism nor via SN2 mechanism. But electron withdrawing nitro groups are attached at ortho and ortho position, so this reaction can take place via SN2AR mechanism, in which carbon ion intermediate is formed via formation of Mesenheimer complex. So this is the case of SN2AR mechanism, in which if we draw mechanism of the reaction, now two NO2 groups are present at ortho position. CH3O negative attack as nucleophile and a carbon ion intermediate, which is also called Mesenheimer complex, is formed as intermediate. Now this anion is stabilized by electron withdrawing group present at ortho position. And finally last step Cl negative is removed and OCH3 nucleophile is attached in place of Cl. So this reaction is called SN2AR substitution nucleophilic bimolecular aromatic. Hence correct option is D.